Hey friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete a blog post from your blogger website. So without any more time wastage, let's get started. First I'm going on Google, then type blogger, then this is a blogger website. I need to just go here. Okay, choose my website. Here are the lots of website I created on blogger. So you can see here the 5 post I already post before. So I want to delete specific one. So 9 way to make money on TikTok by watching videos. I'm interested to delete this post. So no need to just click on here, move to post to trust. Just click on here, then again click on trust post. Okay, this is successfully deleted from my blogger website. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you have like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.